How to get a Scene Plus card. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can get a Scene Plus card. So to do that, first of all, open the Scene Plus app on your mobile device and then make sure you are logged into your Scene account. Now once you're logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to basically tap on the account option which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, tap on the option request card, which is right over here. Now once you tap on it, you can see your address over here, and once this is your address, tap on the option send my card, and then it will say that card requested. Your new card will be sent to your address and should arrive in the next 7 to 14 business days. And there you have it. So that is basically how you request a physical Scene Plus card. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.